Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Here we have a Jura Impressa Z6. This unit was making a loud noise at the end of the brew, and usually that just means that some of the motory and function inside is a little worn down. So what we did was realign the brew group and replaced some of the gaskets and the screens and lube things up so now it runs a much smoother shot. So it's making a coffee. So you can see it's running like a charm. There's pre-infusion and the pump will now activate and run a shot. And there you have it. And then we'll end the cycle so that you can hear. And there you have it. Quiet machine, beautiful shot. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this every day. Thanks.